Another week, another food adventure! Today, nandito tayo sa Tequila Restaurant. Pero this time, hindi si Habi ang kasama ko. Kasama ko si Lucy at ang kanyang asawa.
Oh, yes.
Ano, tara? Actually guys, second time ko na dito sa Tequila Restaurant. Unang visit ko, kasama ko ang aking asawa. Since sobrang nagustuhan namin ang food, gusto kong i-share ang place na to kina Lucy at sa kanyang asawa. For our drinks, Lucy and I ordered La Palomita. It's made with tequila, super sec, grapefruit juice, soda water at grenadine. Super refreshing at bagay na bagay habang nagchichikahan kami. At ang in-order naman ng asawa ni Lucy ay mag root beer. Dahil siya ang designated driver for today's video. Ika nga, safety first, di ba? Kaya hindi siya pwedeng uminom ng alcohol. Pero kahit root beer lang ang ininom niya, tingnan nyo naman, siya pang unang sumayaw at feeling the vibes ng restaurant. Hindi talaga kailangan ng alcohol para mag-enjoy. Then dumating na ang star of the table, our 10-piece taco platter, which is a mix of chicken and beef tacos. Ang dami nilang serving, perfect na perfect for sharing with friends. First bite pa lang, wow! Ang lambot ng meat, juicy, flavorful at ang sarap ng combination ng toppings. Both the chicken and beef were really delicious. Hindi nakakaumay at bawat bite sulit na sulit. Mas masarap talaga ang pagkain kapag may kasamang tawanan at good company. Ang saya ng banding namin habang kumakain at nagkukwentuhan. Overall, we really enjoy our experience here at Tequila. Masarap ang tacos, masaya ang ambience at perfect siyang puntahan with family or friends. Definitely, babalik kami ulit. Don't forget to like and follow and see in our next food adventure. Adios!